Every student dreams of making it big someday. They want a good job, a good career, and a good growth path. But not everyone is given the right opportunity or even a choice to go after their dreams. Financial pressures, domestic responsibilities have forced students to give up their careers. There are those who just did not get the right platform to grow. There are students who have taken up jobs to fulfill family duties but are very unhappy in their current jobs. Then there are those who scored excellently well in their academics, but then they could not meet some cutoff, they could not get into a good college, so their growth got stunted there. If you are one such student in life stuck in such unfair situation, Jet King is here to help. Whether you are a graduate, whether a flair for all things machine, we can help you build a career in IT. Whether you're from a non-technical field, whether you've never done computers in your life, with Jet King's courses in hardware and networking, you can make your career in IT sector even if you're simply past your 12th grade. There are more than 70 lakh new jobs that are going to be added in the IT sector by 2025. These jobs will be across platforms from airways to telecom to roadways to entertainment to healthcare. Across industry, there will be an IT penetration that will be requiring. So it's evident that the IT is booming and it's booming across industries. By taking up a Jet King career course, you can learn everything about hardware, operating systems, networking, servers, and technologies like Microsoft, Cisco, Red Hat, and much more. An IT and IMS professional, you will have to manage computers and networks used in every modern organization in today's day. Once you complete the course, you can work as a desktop support engineer, network support engineer, system administrator, or a server administrator at any level and position in a company. The content of the course is simple and completely digital so that even a non-technical student can understand this course. We make learning easy with our Smart Lab Plus teaching methods. It's a learning solution that blends technology and classroom learning meaningfully. It engages students through an active learning strategy to build strong concepts and cases for the student to understand. This method also integrates employability skills, task-based learning, and simulated workplace, with 70% of the time students are focusing only on practicals, thus making you job ready in just 1 year. At Jet King, we give equal importance to developing your soft skills and your English speaking. We improve your communication, provide corporate coaching, and conduct mock interviews to get you through your HR interviews. With a 100% placement guarantee, you don't have to take the effort to look for a job. Jet King can be a turning point you seek in your life. Our placement cell ensures that as soon as you're ready for your job, you will get your placement. So we invite students from every field to come join Jet King to make their IT dreams come true. Join Jet King. Ban Kabil, Kar Hasil.